Meaning of exoticism.
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 Exoticism. Exoticism refers to the fascination or interest in foreign or non-native cultures, customs, traditions, and peoples. It is often characterized by the romanticization or idealization of these elements, with the intent to create a sense of otherness or difference from one's own culture. Exoticism can be seen in various forms of art, literature, music, fashion, and tourism. It can offer new perspectives and insights into different cultures, but it can also perpetuate stereotypes and contribute to cultural appropriation and exploitation.